Class 8, exercise 8.1, question number 8. Construct a parallelogram ABCD with the diagonal 6 cm and 8 cm and the angle between them 75 degree. So pre-knowledge I am giving you, and this is just the rough sketch so that you understand. Now have a look, 6 cm and 8 cm. So whenever you are taking your first diagonal, take small measurement. So 6 cm I have taken AC 6 cm, and this is my first diagonal. Now 8 cm I have taken second diagonal, which passes from the center, and this is my 75 degree angle. So with the help of that, I am going to construct my parallelogram. Girls, if you see this part, I hope you will understand how to construct. So quickly girls, take out your copies or paper and set your compass. Now have a look, the compass I have set. So the legs, the pencil and the metallic, these two should be equal, right? Not one big and one small, it should be equal. The legs should be equal. Now first step is to draw a line segment AC of 6 cm. So that is your diagonal. So I have drawn. So quickly draw your line segment AC 6 cm. Now after that, second step is bisect AC with O as the center point. Now open your compass, which you people have set more than half. So that means this is 6 cm. So more than half means 3.5, 4 cm. And then put your over here, right? And draw your arc above, right? From this side you will have a clear above and below, right? Then the same with A, above and below, right? So you will cut the first arc with the second arc, and these are the points. Girls, I hope you have understood. Now I am trying to use my left hand. So have a look, from this point I have taken, right, above and below. Clear? Now I have used the other hand from this point above and below. So I have got these two arcs. Now I have drawn my line. Have a look, this is not the line segment, this is the line. So that's why I have put the arrows, right? Now over here, that means AC, and this line you can say LM. You can name any letter. So bisect means divide into two equal parts. Intersect means divide into two parts. And the center of AC is denoted by O. I hope the first step and the second step is clear. First step, you are going to put your scale, right, and draw 6 cm the line segment, which is your first diagonal. Or you can say draw a diagonal AC of 6 cm. I have replaced draw a line segment AC of 6 cm, and in the bracket I have written diagonal. After that, the third step is construct an angle of 75 degree at point O and extend the line on both sides. Now girls, first line, second line. Now from here, from this point, have a look. From this point, take your radius like this much, and draw that, right? So with the help of that, I have taken, if you see the green line, the green marker, I have used to form my second diagonal and 75-degree angle. I have taken, this is my 0 degree. I have drawn this way, right? So when I have drawn this way, I have got 0. The same if you have kept over here this much, so the same you are not going to close your compass. You are going to put your compass over here and draw 60 degree, and from here you are going to draw another 60. So this 60 and 60 means this is my 120 from 0 till here, 120 from here till here, 60. From this 60 to 120, the difference of 120 and 60 is 60. So I have bisect 60 and 120, so I got 90 degree. Now then I have taken 60 and 90. So the difference between 90 and 60 is 30. When I bisect that 30 degree, I have got 75 degree over here. See, this is my 15 degree and this is my 60 degree. So from this point to this point, I have got 75 degree. Now this 75 degree angle, it was given in the question and I have drawn. Now I have drawn this line, right? Now this line is going to be the second diagonal. So how? Have a look. I have taken from this center point up till here, I have opened my compass 4 centimeter, right? And then I have replaced over here and I have cut this part. Then from here, have a look, this part I have, and then this part, right? So 4 centimeter, when I open it, it was over here. Now have a look, this is my, for example, 4 centimeter. So I have drawn this arc, and from center point till here, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter, right? So that means I have got 8 centimeter from here till here. Clear? Now have a look to this part. This is O. So O to D 4 centimeter and O to B 4 centimeter. So this diagonal is my 8 centimeter, which was given in the question. Now I have joined A to B, B with C, and C with D, and D with A. And hence I have required A, B, C, D, the parallelogram. So hence A, B, C, D is the required parallelogram. Now by looking at this, if you keep your, see this part, if you keep your marker I am using over here, and if you move these markers in a proper direction, so that means they won't meet. Have a look, they are moving parallel as the railway tracks move parallel. So that's why they have got now BAD parallel line is BC and AB parallel line is DC, and they are moving side by side. They do not meet at any point. Now angle B is congruent to angle D. Have a look. We will see that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So these are the properties, right? So see, parallel, we use these two lines as a parallel, and we put these lines means line segment. So it has end point. The line segment has 2 end points. Now Angle B is congruent. This is the symbol for congruent. Congruent means equal. Angle D. Angle A is congruent to angle C. And the diagonal bisect. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. So the diagonal bisect in the center. So the diagonal bisect each other at point O. I hope girls you have understood. I have tried my level best to explain you. It's very hard task for me, but I have tried and I hope that you will draw this. So please respond me as soon as possible as you finish.